Hey there, travel bees! In today's video, I have some notes. Have you ever had these kind of questions? What's for dinner? Everyone does. The thing is, I don't know what to cook anymore, what to bake anymore. I have a few ideas, but I wanted to ask you, what should I bake? Meaning I have a big list here, like brownies. I need a good recipe of brownies, maybe something chewy and chocolatey. Cheesecake, baklava, passion fruit cheesecake, strawberry tiramisu, and caramelized sugar cream. If you translated, it's a Romanian dessert. If you translated motamo, cremă de zahăr ars, you would say burnt sugar cream, but it's actually caramelized sugar cream. It's something like creme brulee, but a bit different in technique and in how you make it. You don't make it with cream, you make it with milk. Something between those lines. I have also butter fluffy goodness of my burger buns that I do, and they turn out good, and macaroons, no sugar involved. And also in creme brulee, in the caramelized sugar cream, there's no sugar involved. So would you like to see those? Let's count them up. 1. Brownie. 2. Cheesecake baklava. 3. Passion fruit cheesecake. 4. Strawberry tiramisu, the delightness of summer. 5. Caramelized sugar cream, which is like a creme brulee, no sugar added. No sugar at all. We use sweetener, of course. 6. Burger buns, fluffy goodness. 6. And 7. Macaroons with no sugar. Let me know what you think about it. And if we're here and we're talking cooking things, what about 1 Thai soup with shrimp? I have the chicken version, now I can do the shrimp one. And 1 week of Greek food, this is the second option that I have in my mind. 1 week of Greek food, 1 week of Romanian food, and 1 week of Asian food. Choose between these, and if you want to see them all, that's fine also, but make it in how would you like it, rank it, how would you like to see them, and see you guys later. That's it. Bye.